Hi, I'm Adam, and I want to show you my ACC collection of handwritten manuals that I've done. There's over 200 credits worth here, about 50 manuals. We're just going to go through these. Like, here is this is a whole file. It's tight, and like, it's got a lot in there. Let me, Alright, the first, let's just start taking them out of here, and we'll go through them one by one. Alright, we have, this one right here is Subcourse 08156 Welding Operations 2, credit 6 hours, goes over tungsten rods and, other things. As you can see, that's like over 200 pages. Alright, here we have U.S. Rail Track Maintenance Rehabilitation, or Railroad Track Maintenance 2, Book 1 of 2. Also, this is Railroad Track Maintenance Continued, TR06, chapter for this, and then this one starts out. So you have Railroad Track Maintenance 2, Welding Operations 2, Railway Track Maintenance 1, Subcourse TR607. As you can see, like, there's a couple loose pages. Usually I print out the pictures and post them in here with paste, like flour and water, as you'll see in some of the other ones. Old Nixon paper. I keep Nixon resigns. That sucks. Like, alright, we have wheel vehicle design, front axle and suspension. That starts out like, we have axle suspension. Loading and blocking for railway cars, TR60790. Or TR0690. You can see some of my little crappy drawings on here. Well, that's some of the tables are posted. Some of the drawings are like this. That's another 90, that's a 90-page book. Alright, so we got loading, blocking, railway tanker car, track maintenance 1, 2, railroad operations, track maintenance 2. This is another continuation. OID 1403, shop safety. As you can see, I got some papers in here. These are actually safety precautions. Graphic papers, another handbook, handwritten book, notebook. Like, these took a very long time, maybe a week and a half of 3 or 4 hour day sessions. All right, we have electrical safety components part OD0010. This is continued 1 of 2 of 4. So there's 4 of these electrical congruence construction repair. These are for construction equipment repair. Kind of dropped it for a minute. Let's see here. Alright, rail operations. This one was welding theory. This is 4 credits. It's pretty much stacked, shows butt welds and everything. I'd love to tell you what's in these books, but I actually have too many more than I wanted to. Construction and equipment repair. Like you're saying, electrical safety components 3 of 4. another electrical component repair 404. This one's the last one, so it's not so much. And electrical systems components 1 of 4, 23 credits. That was that one. So instead of taking the test, I actually write these out. My whole goal is to, I got 50 of these, so I have students of 23 in a class. I give them one a day, and then we rotate books each day. I do a different book. This one's U.S. Army Fuel and Exhaust. This is wheeled vehicles, fuel and exhaust, 5 credits, aipd, 0D140. Another, these are like another 100 so more pages, like whole book right there, 5 credits. Wheel vehicle, fuel and exhaust. All right, this is U.S. Army Controlling Engineering Construction Equipment Diesel Fuel Systems, 10 credits. It's got pictures posted in it, like they fold out, like there, right there, and like right here would be a fuel injection nozzle. More fuel injection nozzles. So you have your U.S. Army Engineering School, Engineering Construction Equipment Diesel Fuel Systems, 10 credits. We're not even through these all the way, like it's 6 minutes already. Basic math, add, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. I did this one because my buddy's an idiot, and he don't know how to do math, so that's 3 credits. This one is Rail Operations Yard. The paper got ripped apart. It's a total of 11 credits. TR 6063, Edition 7, Railway Operations Yard. I redid these ones because they were not full. I just took notes on them, so I ended up writing them all, the whole text. I don't know if you really call this plagiarism, because 99% of these aipd courses are all publicly distributed and unlimited, whatever. Welding Operations 2, 6 credit hours. Welding Operations 1, 6 credit hours. U.S. Army Engineering Center School of Construction Management, 19 credit hours. Alright, then we get into some of these ones. Let me move backwards a little bit. We got like a whole shitload of petroleum ones. Here's Railroad Dispatch, TR 638. And I don't know if this is the second or first book. It's probably a second series book on this. It's second of Diesel Railroad Dispatch. This one shows fillet weld. It is subcourse engineering, U.S. Army Equipment Steering Systems, MOS 62B, scheduled 4 credit hours. U.S. Army Corps Railroad Operation Theaters, TR 0640, Railroad Operation Theaters. Also, there's a couple. This one was not so long. It's kind of hard to go through and tell you exactly what to think about it, but I can answer just about any question you want to throw at me about railroads or some shit, like, All right, this one's Railroad Planning, AI Army Institute and Professional Development, a total of 11 credits. 11 plus 4, 15 credits with the examination. I have not done the examination, so I still, if you want to give me credits, that's fine. Like, Direct General Petroleum Operations, 2 credit orders. Actually, it's got lots of in detail. Managing Quality Assurance Laboratory Surveillance, which is another petroleum book, 2 pages. These ones were actually shorter than the railroad ones. They were about 40 to 50, 60 pages apiece. Laboratory Operations, 2 credits. More, like, we're talking more than a Bible's worth of handwritten material here. There's 50 different books. There's 60 different books in the Bible. These are dispatched, railroad dispatch. This was the first one of it. Like more and more. These things cost $1 a piece, and like if you were to print out this many books, you'd waste a lot of ink cartridges. But and I took the liberty to do it upon myself just for a classroom set. For instance, this one shows an engine drawing. It is this one is your U.S. Army Construction Equipment course. I believe it's probably internal diesel combustion engines. I'll put that over there. This one, that's blank. Alright, we have Railroad Edition, Railroad Planning Continued. This is Railroad Planning Continued to the end. Look at this stack. That's a lot of shit. There's about 20 notebooks right there. Wheel Vehicles, Drive Actual Systems. Once again, this is a 5-credit course. Ours shows how much you know. Order train orders. This is part 5. This is Railroad Dispatch Operation, 2 credits. Chapter 5. Hydraulic systems. Alright, this one is the Hazardous Material Regulation CR 49-100 through 185. It's a Navy book for Navy crew licensing for railroads. It's a little workbook. Here's what it is: U.S. Department of Transportation Pipeline the Hazardous Material Regulation Manual. Alright, you have hydraulic and pipeline operation, 4 credit hours, goes over the standard task, and, you know, and receiving, issuing bulk petroleum, using fuel system supplies, 2 credits. This one was about 20 pages long. Verifying installation command, petroleum requirements, 2 credits. There. Railroad operations yard continued. Alright, this is U.S. Engineering and Equipment steering systems continued. Like U.S. Army Construction Steering Systems, once again. Control tanker vehicles, 2 credits. Got some posted pages in there. 2 credits. The ones with the posted things stay, like, they're hard to flipper through. They just kind of go through themselves. Direct Class 3 operations, 2 credits. Direct gauging and sampling operations, 5 credits. I want to start school, actually. Direct tanker vehicles, 2 credits. Supervising land transportation hazardous material, 8 credits. Like you can see, again, all complete, written in holdings. Supervising hazard material program. Direct filter separation operation, 5 credits. These petroleum ones were about 20 to 120 pages a piece. Most of them were smaller and much less whatever. Alright, batching schedule, 3 credits. That's another petroleum one. It's managing petroleum laboratory safety, 2 credits. I bought these notebooks for 10 cents a piece. I like to get them early in the year. Pump grass, 3 credits. And plain direct petroleum storage tanker cleaning, 2 credits. A little bit more writing. Preparing cons, oversee petroleum slates, 3 credits. And then it's got like preparing RSIDL petroleum message report. 3 credits. Alright, direct petroleum operations, 2 credits, continued. I have another drawer like this, which I'm going to do in another video, so they're going to be combined. Direct general petroleum operations, 2 credits. QM 5092. Like, it's got some pages in there. Managed laboratory operations 2 continued. Direct pipeline operations. Review petroleum analysis test results, 4 credits. And that takes care of everything in this notebook. Thanks for watching. Really, Sean and family, this is for you and any other maybe recruiter. That's a hell of a lot of notebooks to do. That shit weighs about 70, 80 pounds. I still have another drawer like this with about 15 manuals. I'll do that in part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye.